Good morning. Good morning. So our trip is gonna start here. This is our morning view. We're heading to the train right now. So I couldn't vlog much over here, but 6:15 we're gonna head out. So let me take you along with me to a safari trip. So the train has arrived. It was such a beautiful ride, very peaceful, very easy, and so fast. It's like I just wanted the views to go on and go on. It was pretty fast, but I really enjoyed it. So now, time for the next adventure, which I'm gonna take you along with me. We have arrived at Morogoro, and this is the view already. The waterfall is here, and we are going to pass this bridge which has no safety. So bismillah. But the view, mashallah, mashallah, it's so beautiful and super green. So we're still heading. We're finding the waterfall, okay? And this is the way. It's a little bit scary, honestly, but it is fun. But yeah, it's fun. Wow, mashallah! Look at this, it's so pretty. We are still heading up. We're sweating like crazy, and we still got a long way to go. So yeah, let's keep pushing. Let's go. We're getting there. We're supposed to walk here. Oh my god, super scary. Now it's like, mashallah, the place is very hard, but it's worth it to do once in your life. Only the views are making this all worth it, and the sounds of the waterfall. Look how high we are. I'm not regretting this at all. Still a long way, we're still going. Girl is tired. I'm sweating like crazy. I'm climbing. Good morning, everybody, and we are ready for safari. We're gonna see some animals. It's cold, it's raining, but I just want to show you a quick look. I've got safari model, hijab, my glasses. I'm all ready to go. And if you see wrinkles on my clothes, I don't have pressing iron, okay? So let's just go. We have arrived at Mikumi National Park. And right now, we're gonna go into our cars. Okay, so these are the cars. The safari cars. We're going to the washrooms, and then we're gonna get into these cars and start the safari. Okay, I'm gonna head quickly to the ladies' room, and everybody's in the bus waiting for me. But let's go quickly in the middle of the jungle. This is the door of the ladies' room. Middle of nowhere. Pretty. Cigarettes on the roof. You look so pretty and I love you. We fell in love and so massive and beautiful. I wish you could see this with your own eyes. Allahumma barik. Oh my god. Right there where the hippos are. I think they're like a bunch of them, and they're covered with leaves. Can you see that? Eating right now and chilling. So they usually swim all the time because it's too sunny and they can't for their skin. And they're right there. And we came down again to see them. Oh, they're moving. It's so exciting. So in our box, we got yogurt, some yogurt. We've got a burger. Yeah, we've got an apple, orange juice. What else do we have? We have chocolate cookies and some candies. Guess what? Our ride just got stuck. Now this is what I call an adventure. These are the memories we get to keep. Okay, at least we got stuck here where there are kind of people around. It's the end of Mikumi National Park. Now we're heading. I don't know, where are we heading? We're heading to Morogoro town. Are we going to the water thingy again? Yeah, maybe. We're heading out right now, and when I came in, I couldn't show you the room. So this is the room. It's just a decent room. It's perfect for the stay we had. It's just a bed, just small necessities you need, and bathroom. And this is me with my train fit. And in our room you can see the mountains at far, but it's very cloudy so you can't really see, but this is the mountain view. Yeah, this is where I stayed for 2 nights. Don't mind the mess, we're heading out.